All right, we are inside of Blue Run Bicycle and Paddle Company in downtown Dunnellon, and there is all sorts of stuff going on in here. Oh, there's Sunshine, the resident kitty. Say hi, Sunshine. And it looks like they've got a wide variety of all sorts of stuff, from helmets to bicycles. Very nice, interesting shop. Very well put together. And if you need repairs, he does a lot of repairs in here apparently over there. I personally have had a bike fixed here. Got some nice e-bikes. Some interesting stuff here. But pretty much anything you need related to biking. All sorts of accessories. Wow. And Grant told me I don't need to video him in the back there, but this is his repair area. So if you need something fixed, wow. And I believe he said most of these bikes are aluminum and extremely lightweight. And back here we got a bunch of kayaks, canoes. Very interesting place. What's the battery life on an e-bike?
Oh, gee. Well, it depends, but usually around 60 miles.
60 miles. That's further than I'm going to ride.
Yeah. Usually. If you're pedaling it.
Gotcha. Hi, Sunshine. Bicycle clothing. Definitely a Steelers fan. And it's a busy little shop, people coming in for repairs. I just happened to catch him right before lunch. He was walking out the door. So if you're looking for bicycles, kayaking, or just information in general, maybe some repairs, definitely the place to stop in downtown Dunnellon. Come by and check it out. Grant will be happy to help you.